To indicate movement across or within something. Go through, walk through, pass through. We had to go through security before boarding the plane. She walked through the park on her way home. The train passed through several small towns. To express completion or continuation. Get through, go through, push through. He had to get through a tough exam. She went through a difficult time last year. They managed to push through the final stages of the project. To indicate a means or method through hard work, through experience, through practice. He succeeded through hard work and determination. You learn best through experience. She improved her skills through practice. To show duration or period of time, through the night, through the years, through the weekend. We drove through the night to reach our destination. Their friendship lasted through the years. The festival will run through the weekend to indicate cause or reason, through effort, through determination, through support. She won the competition through effort and persistence. He got the promotion through determination. They achieved success through support from their team. Common collocations with through. All the way through, halfway through, see through, think through. I watched the movie all the way through. I was halfway through my book when I fell asleep. I can see through his lies. You need to think through your decision carefully.